Well, not so good.
Well, what happened? What's wrong?
I got fired from my job today.
Fired? How'd you do that?
At the daycare center, the kids were watching TV. And I go up to them and I said, "Hey kids, what are you watching?" And they said they were watching Sesame Street. And then he came on.
Who?
The big yellow monster himself. Big Bird!
Big Bird?
Yes!
Really?
And then I started yelling and cursing at the TV. And then in that moment, the kids learned every single cuss word in the English language and a little bit of Spanish.
Okay,
I hate birds.
you hate birds.
Yes,
Why?
it's a very dark story.
How dark could this possibly be?
I was a kid. I was sitting in the park enjoying ice cream, and then I was getting down to the final bite, so I opened my mouth wide like this. And then when I did that, a bird swooped by and
It what?
it pooped in my mouth. Are you laughing?
No.
You were laughing. You think it's funny? I was 5 years old, and a bird pooped in my mouth.
So, is it just yellow bird or just all? Is it yellow birds or just all birds?
All birds.
Okay, but you do realize Yellow Bird is just a costume character, right?
It don't matter whether they're real, costume, virtual reality. It was a bird I hated.
Okay, so I know where not to take you now. Alright. Who there?
We don't want any.
We don't want no Girl Scout cookies, dang it! We're getting tired of it!
I gotta just go for some Girl Scout cookies.
What? No! What?
Come here, I want cookies! Girl Scout cookies! Girl Scout cookies!
Oh, dang it.
What? What? I don't understand what you're saying.
Oh, we don't want no foreigners! Go away! English? We don't want
Yes.
your top hair!
You know, you're old and racist. That's why no one likes you.
Holy shit, get him out of here!
Quiet, old man! You're racist and old.
Yeah, you're racist! Ignorant sow! My name's Carl, and I have a sort of an issue.
I don't care, go what?
Well, you see, my spaceship kind of crashed outside your house.
Spaceship.
Yeah.
What, you supposed to be an alien?
Yeah.
So you leave and get out of here!
Actually, I registered in the United States.
Oh, so you went to Area 51 already?
No.
And where you from?
Outer space.
We're in outer space.
Yeah!
My planet.
What planet?
Uranus?
It's pronounced Uranus.
Yeah. Hey, are you from Uranus? Huh?
It's pronounced Uranus.
We know how it's pronounced.
Ignorant sows. Now, I need to come in.
No.
Please?
No.
Now!
No.
I'm coming in anyways. So, I'm inside your house now. Like I said, my name is Carl, and I kind of need a place to stay.
You're not staying here.
Yeah, I agree with that.
Why not?
Because we don't want you here.
Yeah,
What's wrong?
we don't want the top hair.
What are you, racist?
Yes, he's old and he's racist.
So, old and racist. What if...
I know.
What if... I start paying rent?
No.
Come on. I'll get a job and I'll pay rent and everything.
No.
No.
Why not?
Because we're shit. That's right.
Unless you pay a lot of money in rent.
Like how much?
No. No. No.
$500 a month.
500?
No. What are you doing, Jack?
I'm making us a great deal.
This doesn't sound like a great deal.
It's going to be a great deal if he gets this done.
I have a bad feeling about this, Jack.
You have a bad feeling about a lot of things that turns out it's just gas.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
So you'll be able to pay $500 at the end of each month.
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes.
If it's a lie, I am going to get seriously angry!
It's not a lie. I don't tell lies.
This is a bad idea.
It's not a bad idea.
It is.
It's not.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
I said no!
I said yes.
It's not a bad idea, guys. I'm not a bad person. I'm a friendly person. I like all people.
That's kind of,
What?
well, that's, kind of a little,
What?
yeah, weird. We'll go with that. It's a little weird.
That I like all people?
No, it's just the way you said it.
What?
You said it a little weird.
That sounds like you're gay.
He said it, not me.
What's gay?
It means being happy.
Well, I am happy.
Jack, you gotta tell the truth.
Shut up. No. Shut up.
Oh, are you talking about the homosexual?
Yeah.
I don't have a sex.
Wait, what?
Multi-gender.
You're what?
What?
I don't have a sex.
You don't have a sex.
No.
Hey, masturbate.
You want to see that? It's kind
Not really, no.
No.
I was just-
Okay. Hold on.
No! No!
Take your hand
No!
off.
Take your hand out of your mouth. That's nasty. No! Ah! That's seriously wrong.
I'm
Stop!
Don't ever do that in our house again.
Never again.
So I get to live here now?
If you can pay the rent, yes.